Rockefeller tree lighting extravaganza is just 10 days away, and here's a look at the crystal star that sits on top. It weighs about 900 pounds. It's made up of 3 million crystals and 70 illuminated spikes. The tree lighting ceremony takes place on November 29th.
Wow, in celebration of Disney's new movie, Wish, the company teamed up with Make-A-Wish to host a special early screening. Make-A-Wish families, alumni, and volunteers all got a special preview before the movie's official release. Disney and Make-A-Wish have teamed up for more than 40 years to grant thousands of life-changing wishes for young children.
I think the best part about it is when one of our children will come back to us or write us a note just saying how much it meant to them and how much fun that they had, how they didn't know how much the wish would have an impact on them, but how it did have an impact on them.
So positive. Wish comes out on Wednesday. That's the movie in theaters nationwide. Disney's the parent company of WABC TV.
Those are some of my favorite stories to cover. The Make-A-Wish stories.
Me too.
Those
it's
are
so
incredible.
Nice,
they really
right?
are.
People go way out of their way to make it happen. It's so nice.
Amazing.
Good.
Want to get you outside on this Sunday morning? It's feeling a whole lot different. The cold front yesterday did its job, and this morning was awfully chilly. But this afternoon, sunny and seasonable is what we'll call it. 45 now in New York City, so we have made up some ground. 30s and 40s across the tri-state. Rather than the 20s and 30s that we started with, we're still running about 10 degrees colder than this time yesterday, but early this morning, we were about 20 degrees cooler. So we're starting to make up some ground with a clear sunny sky. High pressure is in control of the forecast across the northeast, which means generally calm and quiet for today. Can't rule out a stray sprinkler or two, maybe a flurry far north of our area, but most of us stick with sunshine and seasonable temperatures heading into this afternoon. Similar story tomorrow, but the real trouble arrives heading toward Tuesday. I'll have that in a second. You see, today, a lot of sunshine this morning, a few clouds in the mix this afternoon with an isolated chance for a sprinkle, maybe a flurry for our far northern suburbs today, but it won't mess with you a whole lot. Temperatures make their way to the low to mid 50s, right around the seasonal average. Moving into tomorrow morning, even colder, 20s and 30s for the low under a clear sky, and tomorrow afternoon it doesn't look like we make it out of the 40s. So we're dropping 5 to 8 degrees below normal, but the sunny skies and calm conditions stick around for your Monday as well. This is actual air temperature. Do want to give you a check of wind chill because it makes a difference, and the number you need to dress for tomorrow morning, 20s. Some of our northern suburbs will even feel like the teens early tomorrow, so that's what you got to send your kids out the door in. Lots of layers tomorrow, coats, because of the wind chills in the 20s. And tomorrow afternoon, even as temperatures climb to the 40s, it will feel like 30s for a lot of us given the wind chills. So want to give you a heads up about the cold Monday, but at least it's calm. It's heading into Tuesday, though. We got to talk about this travel trouble. The eastern half of the country seeing that fair to poor travel weather. The western half looking much quieter. And the problem here is this storm system that's making its way across the country, and that will bring in increasing cloud cover the first half of Tuesday. So let's break this down. Monday is quiet. Tuesday first half is just increasing clouds. By Tuesday afternoon, the leading edge of this rain seems to be showing up. The heaviest downpours are expected overnight into first thing Wednesday morning. It takes us until late morning Wednesday to wrap up those rain chances, but from there the gusty wind picks up. That being said, we should stay mostly dry through Thanksgiving on Thursday. So bottom line, today, tomorrow, mostly quiet, mostly sunny out there, and even Tuesday morning not bad, just the increasing cloud cover. Rain arrives Tuesday afternoon with the heaviest downpours expected overnight into first thing Wednesday. We're talking an inch or two of rain. Some isolated areas could see up to 4 inches, so we can't rule out the possibility for localized flooding. We don't expect widespread flooding, but the roads will be wet across the tri-state, so keep that in mind if your travel plans are Wednesday afternoon or evening. We might not be adding to the rain, but there could be some slick spots as we move into the second half of Wednesday and Thursday. That's when the forecast pattern is drying out. Today looking good, whole lot of sunshine out there. Again, seasonable temperatures. So of course it's on the cool and crisp side. Of course, it's mid to late November, 54, but it is nice to see the sunny skies. Tonight, even colder under a clear sky. Most suburbs are sub-freezing, wind chills in the 20s, and then tomorrow we don't make it out of the 40s, so it's even chillier out there, but we do stay calm and mostly clear with a whole lot of sunshine. Tuesday, the first half, not bad, but that AccuWeather alert goes into effect second half of Tuesday with the heaviest rain expected Tuesday night, so keep in mind we will have some heavy downpours in there. Wednesday morning starts soggy and then turns windy as we dry out, but that sets us up for calmer conditions on Thursday. A brisk breeze continues with highs just in the 40s, but will dry out heading into the end of the week. That's a check of the AccuWeather forecast. We'll be right back.